Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today on Weekend Warrior, we're making hay bale blankets for our flower beds. But you can also use these for concrete curing too. So I've got a warp table, sawhorses, and I've got this piece of plate. We're going to slide this in on the bottom. Holds everything down in place. We're going for 1 inch of hay. Going for that back right corner. All right. Back left corner. Now it's important to get inside. You seat them next to each other. So they lay down flat. Tuck. Got the piece of metal down there. It's keeping everything. All right, so we'll pull it out. Okay, flip. And that's it. We don't tape it. We don't close it because you want it to breathe a little. And the hay's got to be dry. If this is wet hay, forget it. It's not going to work out. So yeah, and then you just lay them on your flower bed, or like I said, on your concrete pour. Very simple, but this will protect us all winter. And also, like I said, it'll let them breathe a little. These bags, a little fluffiness to them. So anyway, hay bale blankets. Don't miss out, guys. Y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Thanks for watching.